How to fix a 0x6100004a error message on HP Officejet All-in-One printers. If a print failure 0x6100004a error message displays on the printer control panel, follow these steps in this video to troubleshoot the issue. After each step is complete, try to use the printer again. If the error persists, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Make sure the cartridge access door is closed. Open the cartridge access door. Remove the paper path cover and remove any torn paper, labels, or other obstructions that might be inside. Reinsert the paper path cover, making sure it is fully inserted into the printer so that it does not interfere with closing the access door. Close the door and ensure that it is completely closed. Step 2. Clear the error message. Remove the ink cartridges and restart the printer to clear all error messages. Press the power button to turn off the printer. With the printer off, open the cartridge access door. Turn the printer back on and wait for the carriage to move. With the printer powered on, unplug the power cord from the printer and disconnect the other end from the outlet. Remove the ink cartridges and set them aside. It might be necessary to manually slide the carriage to access the cartridges. Reconnect the power cord to the printer and the other end to a power source. Note: HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. With the access door still open, turn the printer on and then wait for the printer to complete the startup sequence. Once the carriage returns to the center and the error is clear, install the ink cartridges. If the error does not clear, repeat these steps up to 3 times. Step 3. Service the printer. If the steps in this video have not resolved the error code for your printer, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact to schedule a product repair or replacement. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.